We'll guide you through how to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow performance issue. And if you find this useful, consider subscribing to GuideRealm and don't forget to like the video. The first thing that you want to check is start of program. A lot of apps automatically start when your PC boots up, and this can slow down your system significantly. To fix this, just right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. And when it opens, just go to Startup Apps. Here you will see a list of the application that launch at startup. Now look for app that you don't really need, and let's say I don't really need this VPN. Just right click on it and click on disable. Just make sure you don't disable anything important like system process. Disabling unnecessary startup apps can make your PC boot faster and feel much smoother. Next, let's clear up temporary files. Over time, your system stores up a lot of junk file that slows things down. To clear them, start by pressing the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run tab. Now, just type percentage temp and percentage and hit enter. Delete everything inside this folder. Just select all and press Shift Delete. Just click on yes. And some files cannot be deleted because they are open in another applications. So just click on do this for all items and click on skip. And again press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and this time just type temp without the percentage and hit enter. Now select all the files here also and shift and delete it and click on delete. And some files cannot be deleted. Just click on do this for all item and click on skip. This helps free up system and improves performance. Now let's move to adjusting visual effects. Windows has a lot of animation and effects that looks nice, but they can slow down your PC, especially on a lower end system. To change this, go to the Windows search bar and search for adjust the appearance. And as you can see, I have got the adjust the appearance and performance of Windows on the recommendation. So I'll just open it. And if your PC is slow, just make sure to toggle on the adjust for best performance and click on apply. And as my PC is not that slow, I'll just let the window choose what's best for my computer. But adjusting for the best performance makes your PC a lot faster. This system alone can make your system feel much faster. Another important step is checking for updates. Sometimes lag can be caused by outdated system files or bugs. Just go to your Windows settings and go to Windows Update. Just click on check for updates. And as you can see, my system is up to date, but if an update is available, just update it and restart your PC. Keeping your system updated ensures better performance and stability. Now let's check your storage. If your drive is almost full, your system can slow down a lot. Just go to your file explorer and go to this PC and check how much spaces you have. If it's running slow, try deleting unused file or uninstalling programs that you don't need. You can also use disk cleanup. Just go to Windows search bar and search for disk cleanup. From the recommendation, just open the disk cleanup and choose the drive that you want to clean. Just select your desired drive and click on OK. And from here, as you can see, I can get 1.58 GB. And another important tip is I would suggest you to click on this clean up system files. And the disk will open again and just click on OK. And it will calculate how much space you will be able to free on the selected disk. Just wait for it to complete the calculation and your disk will be cleaned. Lastly, if your PC is still slow, consider restarting it regularly. Sometimes your system just needs a fresh start to clean memory and processes. A simple restart can fix many temporary performance issues. So yeah, those are some of the most effective ways to fix lag and slow performance on Windows 11. We disable startup app, clean temporary files, adjusted visual effect, check update, freed up space to improve performance. And with that, your PC should now feel much faster and smoother. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our next tutorial video.